Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Paysend app both to send and receive money easily and securely. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the invite code from the description below and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you want to open the Paysend app on your phone. Then on the transfers page, this is where you can actually request and send money. Now, to receive money, just simply tap the request money button. You can either enter the sender's phone number manually or choose one from your contacts. Paysend will send your sender a secure payment link, and if they already have the app, it'll open directly and let them send money right away. If not, the link will guide them to sign up on Paysend and complete the transfer to your account. Now, to transfer money, simply go back to the main page. Please keep in mind, if you can't find the send button in your Paysend app, it means that sending transfers is not yet available in your country. Normally, this is where you can see the send button. But as you can see, it's not showing on my end, so it's not yet available. But here's how it looks like. To start, just simply tap send money, then enter the recipient's country and select the receiving currency. Then choose how your recipient will receive the money. It could be through a bank account, a card account, or even a mobile wallet. After that, just enter the recipient's details, including their full name, email address, and payment information. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. Paysend will securely process your transaction, and depending on the recipient's bank or payment service, the money should arrive shortly. And that's it. That's how you send and receive money using the Paysend app. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.